Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to cover Canara Banks. In this video we are going to cover its financial latest market news and update, and along with that we are going to cover the chart analysis. So please stay tuned to this video until end, because we are going to cover so many key factors which are really beneficial and which are important for any shareholder. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. So let's start with this. So Canara Bank is a public bank. It's a mid cap, and market capital is 38,513 crore, and its latest closing is at around 212.30. If you look at the analyst rating, almost 11 analysts are saying that you can buy the stock at this range, and if you are holding this for almost an year, you can see a higher level of 259.33. If you look at the income statement, see the industry revenue growth on an average is 7.63%, but if you look at the Canara Bank, it is 13.69%, which is a good one. The market share has increased from 7.46% to 9.82% over the last 5 years. And if you look at the total revenue of 2018, it was 48,743.32, and now it has increased to 93,659 crore. And EBITDA also, it was in negative minus 5,951 crore. Now it has came in positive with a really good amount, that is 4,719.57. If you look at the net income, it was a negative 3,951 crore. Now it came back to positive with 2,890.59 crore. So what do we see? Year on year basis, total revenue, EBITDA, net income has increased. The bank has really improved its loan and revenue growth and margin also, and year on year basis their quarterly results are really good. So let's have a look at their shareholding pattern. So here the promoter are holding major chunk, that is 62.93% over here. The DIA is holding 10.39%, FI is holding 7.62%, and retail investor are holding 15.62%. If you look at the news, on 5th of Jan, there was a news saying Canara Bank Q3 net profit seen up 139.5% year on year basis to rupees 1,667.3 crore. So this is a report by Motilal Oswal, and they are expecting a major jump in their net profit. 139.5% is really big jump for a Canara Bank quarterly result, and they are expecting net interest income expected to increase by 6.2% year on year basis. So they are expecting really blockbuster quarterly result this time. And what they are saying the net profit is supposed to be around 1,667.3 crore on year basis. Net interest supposed to increase by 6.2%, and pre-provision operating profit supposed to rise by 6.1%. So we are awaiting the next quarterly result, which is due in Feb. So hopefully all the result will be good, and as of Motilal Oswal is expecting a really good result over here. So we won't be surprised if the stock also shows a good rally from here onward. Now the next thing is like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala portfolio. So Canara Bank is included in Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's portfolio, and experts are giving a buy call on this stock, and what they are expecting around 225 to 230 target within a month, because we are expecting a quarterly result and the budget is also there. Okay, so both this thing should give a good hype to the stock price also. The next news is on 4th of Jan, Vedanta raises rupees 1,000 crore from IDBI Bank and Canara Bank. So if any industries like Vedanta, if it's taking a debt from Canara Bank, it's a really good thing for Canara Bank. It's a positive thing because their loan book are also increasing, and that is a good thing for Canara Bank. The next one is a Canara Bank raises rupees 2,500 crore through bonds. So they they are accumulating funding through tier 2 bonds, and almost like a rupees 2,500 crore they have raised, which is a good thing, so that they can use this amount, this funding, for lending a commercial loan to other industries or commercial businesses, or they can spend this money for their business expansion. Now let's come to the weekly chart of the Canara Bank. So around almost like in 2011 it has shown around 800 high, and after that it was in continuous downfall. Okay, and near in the corona time it has shown around 70 low, but after that it is in a uptrend. So what do we see over here? This is a 200 DMA. Red is a 200 DMA, yellow line is 50 DMA, and this green line is 20 DMA over here. Okay, so now the 200 DMA, the stock is trading above 200 DMA, and as you see, if this 200 DMA, this 200 DMA is going downside because the stock price is going higher, and this green, that is a 20 DMA line, is also trying to go upside, and this yellow line, that is a 50 DMA, is also going upside. So this is a 20 DMA, this is a 50 DMA, and this is 200 DMA. So this is the ideal situation which we expect for any stock to go in an uptrend. All the moving averages should be lined in a range 20, 50, 200, and this is what happening over here. So this is a good thing, and if this happened, there would be like a kind of golden crossover, and golden crossover is a turnaround for a bank, and this can show a bullish uptrend over here. If you look at the daily chart, so what daily chart is saying, that in daily chart, if you look at the RSI is showing it's almost at 57.72, and we are seeing here MACD is bullish crossover. Okay, and here is also 200 DMA is at the bottom, 20 and 50 are the stock is trending above 20, 50 and 200 DMA. Okay, now if we see this resistance trend line, it has always respected the resistance trend line. So whenever it went up there, because of the selling pressure, the stock was coming again back down. But if you look at this from Feb till October, this was continuously in the range between 150 to 160, and it gave a breakout, and then it showed higher level of 247. Okay, and after that it was in a consolidation. So this consolidation is really good, because if the stock has to go in continuous uptrend, there has to be a base, and there is already a bottom has formed around 170. So this is 170 is a solid support over here. But if you look at the daily chart, here around 190 is also a good support over here, and this trend line breakout in previous 2 to 3 days, it shows that this stock is having a strength that it can go further upside. So what can happen? So considering this support of 190, it might come down, it may support retest this support over here, and after that we can see an immediate target of 224, because there is a little bit of hurdle over here near 224. So if the stock sustain over here, then again we can see another target, that is 247, because there is another resistance or a hurdle over here. So considering all this thing, if you have already invested in stock, the recommendation would be like stay invested, because there are so many good news which are lined, and the quarter on quarter and year on year basis, the way the bank is improving its revenue and net profit, it's really good for the company. And looking at the moving averages, the stock is trading above all the moving averages, and looking into the weekly chart also, if there is a golden crossover happen, it would be really good thing for a Canara bank. So you can keep this stock for your long term portfolio also. So if you want to invest in the stock, if you find it between nearly like around support 190 to 200, so this is the range. So if you find this stock between this range, or you can buy, this would be a really good opportunity for a new investor to come in and buy this stock. Or if you are an aggressive investor, you can buy it at this level also in some quantity, and if it comes down, then you can average this this stock with a immediate target of 224, and the next target medium to long term target of 247. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you so much.